My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
My favorite tool is probably the bandsaw because you can do straight cuts and curve cuts. So if I had to get rid of all the other tools, I'd probably stick with the bandsaw. The first thing I remember making was, it's a shelf display, it's a decorative piece that sits on a shelf, and it's a cat, and the paw overhangs and it has a little mouse hanging. I made that back in high school, and I recently remade that for my mom as a Mother's Day gift. So my latest project is also my first project. Everybody's posting their stuff up online now. People like sharing what they do, whether it's Instagram or Twitter or YouTube. And my bit of advice is, when you do that, don't listen to all the people who tell you you should have done it this way or you shouldn't have done it this way. Do it the way you want to do it, and keep posting and sharing that stuff. And just make the stuff that you want to make, and don't be influenced by everybody else.